You hit that first really solid shot, just something goes off inside of you and you're just like, man, I want more of that. That's really what allows people to fall in love with the game. Lightning gives that feeling. Black Ops was incredible. How do we make it better? How can we make it faster? How can we make it more forgiving? And how can we make it more versatile? We try to improve the ball speed across the board. Our engineers came up with the idea of frequency matching the face to the impact duration of the golf ball. There's this big spine through the middle of the sole. And the purpose of that is really to stiffen the sole geometry up and make the face kind of the weakest spot. Then you're going to get the most amount of vibration.
So the face and the back of the club are moving in sync with how the golf ball is actually going to leave the face. We're adding that little bit of extra energy, which is giving us that lightning speed. Really like about the new Lightning driver is the etching on the face. This is a little bit differentiated from the crown, and I can see the face and align it just a little bit easier.
You said behind the ball, just looks very forgiving, easy to use, like you're going to be able to smash it.
The feel of it is just outstanding.
When people talk about feel, a large amount of that is what you're hearing. This Lightning driver has that little higher frequency, but it's a quick, sharper sound that lends itself to what you want from a driver, that really good crack.
I love this driver. One of the things I'm really excited about with the Lightning line of drivers is the versatility.
Players have different needs, so we wanted to create a broader set of heads that play to those specific needs. We have the Max 10K Plus. That particular model is going to provide the most amount of forgiveness. When we go to the other end of the spectrum, we have our Tour head, which is a little smaller profile. For those fast speed players that are looking to control their spin and get the most amount of distance they can, that Tour model is going to be a nice option. And then the Tour Mid, everything about that club is kind of almost right in between the Tour and the Max.
How do we go about with the hybrids and the fairways to achieve a little bit more ball speed?
Yeah, so both of them are through thinning out the face structure, but in a little bit different ways. So the fairway wood, we had to maintain a little bit thicker geometry in the middle of the club, but we were able to thin out the perimeter, get a little bit more flex out of the face. Yeah. With hybrids, the structure is a little bit different. It's a taller face, and we thin out the face overall, and we were able to get more deflection during impact, faster ball speed performance, higher launch, and increase that distance. And everybody loves hitting it further.
Oh, absolutely. I'm definitely hitting my 3-wood further than I've hit any 3-wood in my life.
Talk about the fitting experience.
When you come in to get fit, you're going to find the right model for you that gives you the absolute best performance. We want you to walk out of there having the very, very best equipment that's fit for your swing.
Everything about what we do is to help people play better golf.
When you strike that ball, it just makes the best sound, and the feel coming back out of it is...
It's incredible. Driver, fairways, and hybrids, you're going to be blown away.
You're going to be able to play the very best golf you've ever played in your life.